Have you ever considered what you're putting on your skin? Our skin absorbs much of what we apply to it. Choosing natural skincare products can make a world of difference. Natural face care is about more than just appearances. It's about nourishing your skin with the goodness of nature. Natural ingredients are derived from plants, minerals, and other natural sources. They are free from harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and artificial colors. These ingredients are not only gentle on your skin, but also beneficial for the environment. Switching to a natural skincare routine can be a game changer for your complexion. It's a journey of rediscovering the inherent beauty of natural ingredients. Get ready to unlock radiant, healthy skin with the power of nature. Every individual's skin is unique. It's like a fingerprint, with its own set of characteristics and needs. Just like our personalities, our skin has different needs and characteristics. Some people might have skin that is more prone to dryness, while others might struggle with excess oil. Understanding your skin type is crucial in choosing the right natural ingredients and products. This knowledge helps you avoid products that might irritate your skin and select those that will benefit it the most. Do you have dry skin? Dry skin often feels tight and can appear flaky or rough. Your skin might feel tight and flaky. It may also be more prone to irritation and redness, especially in harsh weather conditions. Oily skin is characterized by excess sebum production, often resulting in a shiny complexion. This type of skin can be more prone to acne and enlarged pores. Combination skin, as the name suggests, is a blend of both dry and oily areas. Typically, the T-zone is oily while the cheeks remain dry or normal. Sensitive skin requires extra care as it tends to react easily to certain ingredients. This type of skin can become red, itchy, or inflamed when exposed to irritants. Finally, normal skin is well-balanced and generally trouble-free. It has a good balance of moisture and oil, making it less prone to common skin issues. Once you determine your skin type, you can tailor your natural skincare routine to address its specific needs. This might include using hydrating products for dry skin or oil-controlling products for oily skin. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find what suits your skin best. Pay attention to your skin's signals and adjust your routine accordingly. Your skin will thank you for the personalized care. Nature provides a wealth of ingredients that can work wonders for your skin. Each ingredient possesses unique properties that can address various skin concerns. Aloe vera, known for its soothing and healing properties, is a godsend for irritated or sunburned skin. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, helps to even out skin tone and reduce blemishes. Rose water, a natural toner, balances the skin's pH levels while providing a refreshing and hydrating effect. Cucumber, known for its cooling and hydrating properties, helps to reduce puffiness and soothe irritated skin. These are just a few examples of the many natural ingredients that can transform your skincare routine. Research and explore different ingredients to discover what works best for your skin type and concerns. Establishing a consistent skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy and radiant skin. By using natural products, you can nourish your skin without exposing it to harsh chemicals. This approach not only benefits your skin, but also supports a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Here's a simple yet effective morning and evening skincare routine using natural products. Let's start with the morning routine. 1. Cleanse. Start your day by cleansing your face with a gentle natural cleanser. This step is crucial as it removes any impurities that may have accumulated overnight, such as sweat and excess oil. Make sure to use lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry with a soft towel to avoid irritation. 1. Tone. Apply a natural toner like rose water to balance your skin's pH levels. This step helps to tighten pores and prepare your skin for the next steps in your routine. Gently pat the toner into your skin using a cotton pad or your fingertips for better absorption. 1. Moisturize. Hydrate your skin with a natural moisturizer suited for your skin type. This step is essential to keep your skin soft, supple, and protected from environmental aggressors throughout the day. Choose a moisturizer that contains natural ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, or jojoba oil for optimal hydration. 1. Sun protection. Apply a natural sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. This step is crucial even on cloudy days, as UV rays can penetrate through clouds and cause skin damage. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours if you're spending extended periods outdoors. Now let's move on to the evening routine. 1. Cleanse. Double cleanse your face in the evening to remove makeup, dirt, and excess oil. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. This two-step cleansing method ensures your skin is thoroughly clean without stripping it of its natural oils. 1. Tone. Tone your skin again with rose water or another natural toner to remove any remaining impurities and tighten pores. This step also helps to restore your skin's natural pH balance. Gently pat the toner into your skin to enhance absorption and prepare it for the next steps. 1. Treatment. Apply a natural serum or facial oil that addresses your specific skin concerns, such as acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines. Look for ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or tea tree oil. These ingredients can help to brighten your complexion, reduce inflammation, and promote skin regeneration. 1. Moisturize. Lock in moisture overnight with a nourishing natural night cream. This step helps to repair and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. Remember to be gentle with your skin and avoid harsh rubbing or scrubbing. Use your fingertips to apply products with light upward strokes. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to your routine daily to see the best results over time. So make these routines a part of your daily self-care ritual. Embrace the natural approach and enjoy the benefits of healthy, glowing skin. DIY delights. Crafting your own natural face masks and toners. Creating your own natural face masks and toners can be a fun and rewarding experience. Not only do you get to control what goes into your skincare products, but you also get to enjoy the process of making them. It's a creative and therapeutic activity that can be done alone or with friends. It's a wonderful way to personalize your skincare routine with ingredients tailored to your skin's needs. You can choose ingredients that specifically address your skin concerns, whether it's dryness, acne, or aging. For instance, the honey and yogurt face mask for hydration is a great option. Honey is known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Make sure to use plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid any unnecessary additives. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. The mask should feel cool and soothing on your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin should feel refreshed and hydrated. If you have oily skin, you might want to try the green tea and apple cider vinegar toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and helps to reduce inflammation, while apple cider vinegar balances the skin's pH levels. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. This step is crucial to ensure that the toner is gentle on your skin. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the cooled green tea. Stir well to combine the ingredients thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. The cool toner will feel refreshing on your skin, especially on hot days. Mist your face with the toner after cleansing. This will help to tighten your pores and give your skin a healthy glow. Experiment with different natural ingredients and recipes to find what works best for you. The possibilities are endless, and you might discover a new favorite skincare routine. Remember to do a patch test before applying any new DIY concoction to your entire face to check for any allergic reactions. This simple step can save you from potential skin irritations. As you embark on your natural skincare journey, it's important to consider the environmental impact of your choices. Opting for sustainable and eco-friendly practices ensures that you're nurturing both your skin and the planet. Look for brands that use recyclable packaging, minimize waste, and source their ingredients responsibly. Consider purchasing from local businesses or artisans who prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. Reduce your environmental footprint by making your own skincare products whenever possible. This allows you to control the ingredients and packaging, minimizing waste and reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals. While natural skincare offers numerous benefits, there are a few common pitfalls to avoid. One common mistake is assuming that all natural ingredients are suitable for everyone. Just like synthetic ingredients, natural ingredients can also cause allergic reactions or irritation in some individuals. Always do a patch test before incorporating a new ingredient into your routine. Another pitfall is expecting overnight miracles. Natural skincare is a journey that requires patience and consistency. It's essential to manage your expectations and give your skin time to adjust to the new routine. Lastly, avoid using expired products or storing your natural skincare products improperly. Natural ingredients can degrade over time or when exposed to heat, light, or air. Check the expiration dates and store your products in a cool, dark place. True beauty radiates from within. While skincare plays a significant role in maintaining healthy and radiant skin, it's essential to embrace a holistic approach that encompasses both internal and external wellness. Nourish your body with a healthy and balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Manage stress levels through practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your body and skin to repair and rejuvenate. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a more natural and radiant you. Embrace the power of nature's secrets and witness the transformative effects on your skin. Share your experiences, tips, and favorite natural skincare recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace a healthier, more sustainable approach to beauty. Subscribe to our newsletter for more insightful articles, DIY recipes, and exclusive offers on natural skincare products. Join the movement towards a more radiant and sustainable future. Thank you for watching our video on natural face care. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay radiant and beautiful with nature's secrets.